Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone if the passkey or the password you entered is simply not working. Now, a lot of times, if you enter in the password wrong, maybe 5 times, your version will allow you to actually recover it with an email address or something like that. But with your Samsung phone, you might have to boot into the recovery mode and then factory reset everything. So to do this, you can still use your phone, but you might lose some of your data, your pictures, etc. You'll probably lose it all depending on if you have it on an SD card or not. But let's do this now. I'll show you how to force into the recovery mode. So I'm going to turn on my phone, press the volume down button and the power button. And this is going to take a screenshot. And then when the phone goes off, I'm going to switch buttons. I'm going to go to the volume up, Bixby, and power button. Give it a few seconds, and then switch Bixby, volume up, power button. So I'm pressing 3 buttons down now, and then I'm going to wait until I see the logo. I'm going to let go of all those 3 buttons down. Now, if you don't have the Bixby button, just hold down the volume up and the power button. And then we can use the power key, the volume keys go up and down, and go on down to where it says wipe data and factory reset. So we have this option right here. We can just simply reset our phone. And this will allow us to bypass the login password, and then we'll have to enter in our Google information once again, and this will allow us to actually use our phone depending on your location of your SD card. If you're using like an SD card, I believe all those photos will be saved, but the internal storage will be wiped. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.